Today, we're checking out 10 of the smartest robot vacuums of the year, from budget-friendly cleaners to fully automated AI-powered machines with self-emptying docks, hot water mop washing, and advanced obstacle avoidance.
As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We always keep the description up to date with information we might not get a chance to mention in this video. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated pricing, be sure to check out that description.
The DEEBOT X8 Pro OMNI takes automation to another level. Its standout OZMO Roller self-washing mopping system continuously cleans the mop while it's cleaning your floors, helping prevent streaks and dirt spreading. Combined with massive 18,000 Pascal suction power, this robot handles carpets, pet hair, and hard floors with ease. The OMNI station adds hot water mop washing, auto-drying, self-emptying, and automatic water refilling for an almost fully hands-free experience. The Roomba J9 Plus shines when it comes to smart obstacle avoidance and pet-friendly cleaning. It features stronger suction, intelligent dirt detective learning, and PrecisionVision AI navigation that avoids cables, shoes, socks, and even pet accidents. Dual rubber brushes resist hair tangles better than traditional brush systems, making it ideal for homes with pets. The self-empty dock stores debris for up to 60 days, while smart mapping and voice assistant compatibility make cleaning almost effortless. The Topo RV30 Max Plus delivers impressive flagship-style features at a much lower price. With powerful 5,300 Pascal suction, smart carpet detection, and efficient mesh grid cleaning patterns, it performs extremely well on hard floors and low-pile carpets. The self-empty dock can hold debris for up to 60 days, minimizing maintenance. LiDAR navigation, app scheduling, Alexa support, and customizable cleaning controls make this one of the best affordable robot vacuum and mop combos available today.
What can you say about our first two products? If you have comments or questions, then just leave them in the comments section, and we will attend to them immediately. There are more products on our list, so you will still have more choices to come. If you are not yet a subscriber of our channel, then please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to get an instant notification of when I upload a new video. Now let's continue.
The ECOVACS DEEBOT N8 Pro Plus is still one of the best value robot vacuums for everyday smart cleaning. It combines vacuuming and mopping in one pass with 2,600 Pascal suction power that handles dust, crumbs, and pet hair surprisingly well. Its self-empty station provides up to 30 days of hands-free cleaning, while LiDAR navigation creates accurate home maps for efficient room coverage. You also get obstacle avoidance, multi-floor mapping, no-go zones, and voice assistant support. If you want dependable smart cleaning without spending flagship money, the N8 Pro Plus is an easy recommendation. The DEEBOT X11 OMNI Cyclone is one of the most powerful robot vacuums ever released. It features an incredible 19,500 Pascal suction system, upgraded OZMO Roller 2.0 scrubbing, and advanced AI-powered navigation. The True Pass climbing system helps it cross thresholds smoothly, while the triple lift system intelligently adjusts between wet and dry cleaning. Its bagless OMNI station handles hot water mop washing, self-cleaning, and auto-drying, making it one of the most advanced all-in-one cleaning systems of 2026. The incredibly advanced roborock Crevo curve. With massive 18,500 pascals hyperforce suction, flexi arm edge cleaning, and the AdaptiLift chassis that climbs thresholds up to 4 centimeters, this robot delivers flagship-level performance almost everywhere. The multifunction dock handles hot water mop washing, warm air drying, self-cleaning, auto-emptying, and automatic tank refilling. Reactive AI obstacle recognition helps it avoid household objects intelligently, while built-in voice controls and pet interaction features make it feel incredibly futuristic. If you want one of the smartest and most automated robot vacuums available in 2026, the Crevo Curve easily earns the #1 spot. The SwitchBot K11 Plus stands out with its compact body, strong smart home support, and powerful 6,000 pascals suction. Its anti-tangle roller brush and twin-side brushes are especially useful for pet owners, while LDS LiDAR navigation helps create efficient cleaning paths. The self-empty dock stores dust for up to 90 days, reducing maintenance dramatically. Best of all, it fully supports Matter, Alexa, Google Home, Apple Home, and Home Assistant for seamless smart home integration. The Topo RV20 Max combines strong cleaning power with a slim compact design. Its 5,300 pascals suction handles dust, crumbs, and pet hair effectively, while LiDAR navigation creates accurate maps for efficient cleaning routes. The robot also automatically boosts suction on carpets and avoids carpets while mopping. At only 3.27 inches tall, it easily cleans under sofas, beds, and cabinets where many larger robots can't reach. Dyson brings advanced AI cleaning technology into robotic cleaning with a Spot Plus Scrub AI trademark. Using HD cameras, LiDAR, and intelligent stain detection, the robot can identify dirty areas and repeatedly scrub stubborn messes automatically. Its hygienic wet roller constantly applies clean water while removing dirty water during cleaning. The bagless cyclonic self-emptying system stores debris for up to 100 days, while anti-tangle brush technology handles pet hair with minimal maintenance. Taking the top spot is the Roomba Combo Essential. The Roomba Combo Essential is a simple and affordable option for users who want reliable smart cleaning without premium pricing. It vacuums and mops simultaneously using a 4-stage cleaning system, while smart navigation helps it clean in neat rows and avoid obstacles. The slim design easily fits under beds and furniture, while adjustable suction and water flow give you more control for different floor types. For apartments and smaller homes, it's a solid entry-level robot cleaner. So that was our list of the top 10 best robot vacuums. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews.